Hi friends, I've come up with a new dish, Millet Veg Dalia. These are the ingredients. As usual, put the pan, pour some oil, let it heat. We'll start with some seasoning, some mustard seeds, some jeera as well. This is my standard. Some chana dal as per taste. We can also add some peppercorns. I really like the crunchy peppercorns in upma, dalia, so I generally do that. Add a lot of vegetables. Here I've added some beans, some tomatoes, some onions, also some curry leaves. So you can add any kind of vegetables that you want and let it cook for a while in the oil. Now the most important part, take half glass of dalia and half glass of millets. It could be fox millets or any millets. And I'm doing half and half just so that it's a taste enhancer. You can do purely only dalia as well. I've added some grated carrot to the already cooking vegetables and just stir it up a little bit. Now let's start adding some water. Since millets take a little longer to cook, I'm adding more water, about 1.5 big cups of water, and we will wait until we have that water come to boil. So as we see, it is nicely coming to a boil, which means it is getting ready for us to put the dalia. Now it's come to a full boil. That's nice. So the 1/2 mixture of dalia and the wheat rava that we have taken along with the millets, I've just gently added in and stir it a little bit and put it on high flame and let it cook for some time. It will take about 10 minutes probably to cook. It's coming nicely to a boil, and as you see, it's slowly coming together. Most of the water has gone and it started cooking well. I like the texture. It still needs a little bit of cooking, so we will stir it once and just keep it aside. Let it cook. Wow, now most of the water is gone and the Millets Veg Dalia is nicely done. Look at those peppercorns. I really like those peppercorns. I'm waiting to eat this. This is nicely done, guys. Now add at least 1 spoon, a dollop of ghee. It could be cow ghee or buffalo ghee, and mix it up nicely once and just plate it. Some nice hot dalia, millet dalia. And this is the most important part of this is a high protein, high fiber dalia, which is very good for health. As you have seen, we have not used a lot of oil, just only a couple of spoons of oil. So that way, from a health perspective also, it is very good. I hope you will make and enjoy this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, friends. Thank you.